Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool mention right here, and basically what these are some pillows, and you can see it from this brand right here, Beckham Hotel Collections. And they mentioned how the super plush gel fiber filled pillows, so it should be really comfortable, and they mentioned how it has like a cooling effect on here as well, which I'll find out in a second. And for the one that we got right here is a queen size, but they also have it in king size as well. And it comes in a 2-pack. So I'm actually open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is basically what it actually looks like. Alright, so here is the first one. And there's another one inside. So since both of them are the same thing, I'm just gonna take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. So see right here, this is basically what the product looks like when it actually arrived. It's all nicely packaged and compressed. So let's take it out and expand it to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright. So when you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. So I'll probably let this fully expand first to see how it looks like. So while we wait for this to expand, let's talk about some of the specs that's on here first. So for this product, they mention how it's breathable and it is machine washable. So if you guys want to throw the whole entire pillow into the machine to wash it, you definitely can. In terms of the material that they use for the cover and also the material inside the pillow, they do use high quality material, so that way it actually feels very comfortable and give you guys a very good support as well. But definitely right now, even when it's not fully expand, when you guys feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. So when you guys feel this side right here, it definitely feels like a plushy material or plushy feeling. But when you turn it on the other side, when you guys feel this side right here, it definitely has that like cooling gel on here, which is pretty nice. So I'm assuming once you guys put your head on this side right here, you can definitely feel the cooling gel on here to help you guys cool down, especially like during the summertime or when it's like really hot. But definitely when you feel the cover right here, it definitely feels very silky. It's not like fully silk material, but it has like a slightly silk material when you guys feel it. But in terms of the cover here, it is 100% cotton. And then the inner layer, like the filling and everything, it is 100% polyester gel fiber material. And they also mentioned the way how to design the pillow is the fact that it won't deform. So once you guys push the pillow down, it actually bounces back up. But right off the bat, I'm not sure if you guys can see on the pillow cover right here, it definitely has like a slight stripe design, like right here, if you guys can see throughout the pillow. And they also mentioned the material that they use on here, it is fade proof. So I guess over time, when you guys use the pillow a lot, or if you guys wash it often, the color or the design won't fade. But I'm assuming it'll take probably like 24 or 48 hours for it to fully expand. But even right now, if you can see, the shape definitely looks a lot more nicer and bigger as well. And when you guys squeeze it, you can definitely feel that gel material on here, which is pretty nice. And like I mentioned earlier, immediately once I put my hand onto the cooling gel side, which is on the bottom side right here, you can definitely feel the cooling gel inside to help you guys relax and cool down during like the warmer days or the hotter days, especially during summer. Like even right now, if I were to put my head on this side right here with the cooling gel, it actually feels really nice and really like relaxing, and definitely feel like that cooling effect from here, which is pretty nice. But like I mentioned, it'll probably take around like 24 to 48 hours for it to fully expand in order for you to get the full benefits or the full effect of the pillow. But that's basically everything in terms of the product of what it actually looks like in a first-hand perspective when you guys first open it on the first day. I might just have to do like an update video in a few days to see how it performs after like 48 hours or maybe a week or so to see how it looks like and everything. So far as a first-hand perspective, I would definitely have to say that this product is pretty worth it if you guys are trying to look for a pretty high quality pillow that has like the cooling gel inside the pillow that's machine washable as well. So it makes it a lot easier for you guys to clean it and maintain the product, but also give you guys that comfort and support when you guys are sleeping. Whether you guys are a side sleeper, a back sleeper, or whatever, this pillow is perfect for any kind of sleeper. So I definitely have to say that this is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.